case ki bathamai menta kasni belong shispa harfuway ki ba khlad no mene men met don iway but mene dang step sai way te baro ki ba khlad ki poi menta khat khandai debu chetri ushapol ki ba ki onra bila khlad pa way padai de way ki admit but ikhlad pada mene step. The cause of death of Mrs. Usha Paul, as could be gathered from the history, from the relatives, is a case, known case of hypertension with diabetes mellitus and on medication. Na idon ka jingpang high blood pressure kabangi on hypertension, but ideiru I case diabetes mellitus iba judi tawai man kapor pora arwat kilong positive yo COVID-19. Usha Paul kishim ya ka sample matsuan lam hapo hospital kila declare that kishim yang sample ki test yo positive I. Ke ai ke bangidei ban perkhat ban pelik jengmut bahan menta kandai ya kitu ki badan symptom but gitu ki badan comorbidities ni haban perkhat bahan menta ka jengki ke ai mengilap menta kanong ba bun ki bastom kim kwa ban lech hospital last moment. That is why we have got a case of broad death, another case due to complication at home mla shu haying sawanelam kalau too late kum kena diabetes li kum madio kum gitu acidosis fio hypoglycemia tu kilong pihak dan kam immediate treatment te bun kim kwa ban wan cha hospital nomor bakadon ka jingti te bentang ngi hab ban concentrate ngi hab ban wat baru koi gejala manu badan gini ki comorbidities kata ka beningkong but kumnu ki yo uni COVID-19 ngala ong hinadu ningkong ba kitu ki badang khamsamla kenda yo COVID-19 yaki kam kata nomor ka immune system ka jengki ka khlan tangba wadlik klep pada. Don't forget that when you go back home, if you have got elderly with you at home and if you have got people with comorbidities at home, you are putting them in danger. So when you go out, you follow all the protocols strictly, because for you young people, you're all right, but the ones who will suffer are the people in your house, small children, elderly and people with comorbidities. So take this into consideration. Perkhat lem namanta ki chongki wat lit perkhat tang namantai la dia namar bali fi fin klan ndrei phindara you to virus yala dia filong asymptomatic mndan jingpang ye pidon virus kinyo kini ki badan ka immunity ka balang do ka batlat tengi hapan perkhat thamai ngene ru comorbidities kamot kibri ki badan ki we jingpang ki bala ban kata ya ka immune system ko jongki ka baning kong ya ka diabetes bangilap mo hypertension kani ka kamot da fio you ni covid infection ka stress ya ka kamet ka jongfi lada ka stress kamet ka jongfi kini ki jingpang kinang hamjur ki badan lang mentang isyam bagi babun hangiru ki babun ki bapang cancer ki babun ki bapang kidney kindayo alaikum gitu ka immune system joki kala along duna lupa kamut kim shan dat ni ihi babun hi ki bakhrat kide gini ki badan kini comorbidities wai kidon kini hi lada if they can't come out on the 10th day by the 10th day baki you COVID-19 kastom ki kincham
protocol
kamdon violation ng protocol mentah gitu kita mas sama kasti ke cakap apa shit tentang gitu di bayrat kam yang tu kam tam di bukit simen e kim la bendeng kamas di ya sunsen skiwan skini tak daiwas nei bawan keleng ha kediwan le kita ki berkat tamba kai ke mas susu gini ki bawan bukit kini ki essential commodities kam tu gini kita kediwan test sila di kediwan you apa entry point tama gini gila ada full hajar tali ki bas kitrap ki om baru sanspa siski girong kitrap om dapo
tang po
star cement kagara ki hapan perkhatnya hong ya gani ya ka ya gini kum
teman mentang haban ajimut ban khang nak suai gini ka
em ngin pet chwa kalong kanu namang ni test sispa ar ni yo san kendai ki test kadang ya mentah te ni ne pet kalong om no ada yu tahap khang